Just got here at the meet. Nice cars. My wheels. What's up, Dylan? I did. I parked far away though because my car's flat. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't lowered it since I didn't have wheels. I'm looking for a front bumper, but I can't find one in this color.
I didn't expect it to. Damn.
Well, once the bumper is like kind of on, it looks better. But
Yeah.
I mean, my paint's clapped. That's a
Oh my.
big. Yeah.
What did he say? What happened?
He said he got hit. He said he hit a cone or something.
I could tell he had a wing on it too, huh?
Yeah, he had a GT wing.
Oh boy.
But I mean, from far away, it looks okay.
It does. It looks okay from far away. I was
Yeah.
like, damn, that thing looked good when I got
But
close
look,
up.
like.
Hey, the spook master.
Where'd you go? You parked hella far.
I parked over there, hella
Oh,
far. It's
hell
clapped.
no. Oh, because of, hey, stock?
Yeah.
It's stock, bro?
It has LS.
Get these ugly ass wheels on my car.
I don't want them no more.
Nah, you want them, you want them.
Yeah. It's a wave. Current pace. Current pace. Yeah.
Hey, mock them up real quick, though. I don't even think you need to touch your height, bro.
Maybe. I mean, this is a good ride height, but I don't think it's low enough.
And plus, it has hella stretch, so you can go lower.
You gotta add a little camber, so. There you go.
Hey, let's calm down. You're stock. Calm down. You do not have that much camber, buddy.
Nah, not do that. -1, -1. I'm not a camber boy.
Here's my wheels, bro. I saw them. Hey, they hella bent, bro. Got hella cracks. Bro, the tires are like 5 years old. Hey, but he don't know. He don't know about that.
And you will feel how to live a life that's real. Truth and perfect harmony when the spirit
Yeah.
is
Yeah. Crime pays, nigga. Crime pays.
Hey, my name is Freak. This is my 1989
You're talking
Christmas.
like Michael Jackson.
Bruh.
Finally, bruh. We made it. About time. What's up, Milo? There's a parking lot. You can buy this spot.
It's been about a week. I've had the wheels on. Haven't had any big issues except for a little bit rubbing in the rear. But I am borrowing Luis's spacers right now. So I gotta go ahead and swap over to the mine. My package finally came, so I'm gonna swap over to those and give Luis back his spacers in time for him to use them for Wrath. So, got Luis's adapters off. Appreciate Luis. Now, these actual ones. Shout out Lunatics Co. for these. And also comes with the wheel hub adapter, so you don't get as much shake in the wheel. So I got everything I need for oil change. I got my O-ring, and I got my oil filter, and then the drain, and I got my oil right here. I put 6 quarts in it usually, just so I don't have any issues with oiling. I saw people on the forums recommend like 5.7, but I just top it off with 6. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some coolant too. Pretty sure I was pretty low on that. I do need to lower it more in the front and a tiny bit in the rear, but I just really need arms for the rear. The front, I think I can get away with stock arms, just pulling camber from the top hat, but I actually want to reduce camber in the rear, so I'm gonna need arms for that.
And there we go.
Believe the stun. Buckshot the one that gets the dog run. Mic check, the